Number 9, dumiretso, luag na luag. But not good, strong rebound. Pwede again, but there's a foul. First shot is not good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27.
Huwag mo kasi sisigawan. Akala nagagalit ka eh.
Atibo, haras by number 28. Atibo, inipunta ng matasasa ng pasa pero hindi nakuha.
Wala ka eh.
Kaya nga.
Tawag sa'yo eh.
Number 2.
Ninervous tuloy.
Cabero, haras by number 21. 28.
Yulo!
Taas! Pero hindi lang nakuha.
Ganda sana. Rene, bang!
To number 10. Orival. To number 21. Ang ganda naman. Is good? Strong rebound by number 11. Traveling violation for the first time. May natatawa na ng traveling. Time remaining. 1 minute and 52 seconds. 28. Cabero.
Tira, dalawa tira. Tira, tira. Bang!
To number 31, foul. Is that good? To number 28, number 28. To Teles.
Game ball.
Servo.
Pinangunan. Ako, diyan ka lang ako. Agit na, para ano, diretso. Ayun na oh. Eh, wala! Wala!
Late na yung
Number
sigaw mo.
21, Ativo. Tinirahan sa mga, not good. Ativo again, pass, and then good again. Then Ativo again, not good again. To number 8. To number 31. Number 31. To number 28. Card, is that good? To number 9. Number 9. To Ativo. Ativo back to number 9. Is it two shot? Is that good? To the rebound. A foul. Foul by number 8. Number 8, second personal foul. Remaining 49 seconds.
Tapusin mo na, Loy!
First free throw. It's good. Second free throw. It's not good. Like a bug. To number 28, number 32, number 31, Teles is not good.
Alam mo may pila yan. Tona.
30 seconds time remaining. Number 28. Back to dribbling, back to number 28, drive to number 31.
Tira!
Bang!
Taktuan yung tira mo ah.
Tumatibo to number 9, to number 21. Five is good by number 21. Number 7, 10 seconds time remaining. 10. Romana, and 9. 5. Is that good?
Oh, lagpas!